Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Mercury, rules Gemini and Virgo, exaltation Virgo, detriment Sagittarius and Pisces, fall Leo, responsible, communication, skill, business, management skill, commerce, GIF, winged cap of God, represents, intellectual urge, the avenue of expression, anatomy, nervous system, brain, sight, mouth, tongue, respiratory system, hands and arms, general, ruler of all hormones. Keyword, reasoning ability. General, never located more than 28 degrees distant from the sun. Considered neuter. Rules reason, ability to communicate, intellect, awareness, dexterity, rationalization, transmission, words, opinion and sensory perceptions. Its action is quick, uncertain, volatile. Deals with travel, especially short trips, brothers and sisters, children, clerking, speaking, writing, bookkeeping, secretaries, neighborhood activities, letters and mailings, means of transportation, trade, emotional capacity and technique. Where you find Mercury in the chart shows where and how you communicate best. 11th house, it means love received. It shows the love you receive. Goals, friends, hopes and wishes, circumstances beyond control, love received. Natural sign is Aquarius. Natural ruler is Uranus. Keyword is social consciousness. 11th house is a house of side-by-side relationships and air. Quality is succeeding house. General. The 11th house shows your ability in friendship, your attitude towards friends and acquaintances and all non-emotional relationships. This house for what you want most in life, your goals, you receive love as well as money earned from a career. It shows stepchildren, foster children and adopted children, as well as the circumstances in which you have little control. Here we see your humanitarian benefit, the way you see others, the organizations and the clubs you belong to, in some way related to your career. Mercury in the 11th house. The planet Mercury in the 11th house of your chart means that your friends play an important role in your education. You have a lot of knowledge, but you can count your good friends on the fingers of one hand, as the saying goes. You enjoy being surrounded by stimulating people, especially in a group of people with similar interests. Unless you have other influences in your birth chart, you are unlikely to make lasting friends with more than a few select friends. Again, depending on other aspects of your birth chart, your friends can either be of great help in your life or be somewhat unreliable. You may find yourself drawn to young people because they give you a fresh outlook on life and give you food for thought. You'd rather join a literary group and discuss the latest bestsellers rather than read on your own. You also prefer to share a cup of tea and chat with someone else rather than enjoying the calm of a drink in solitude. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video. Thank you. See you in the next video.